Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss about a topic that is not discussed a lot, but that's really important, and I found out some information when I referred some cases. This is about making a will. Yes, a will, is like an official document or legal document that specifies like what to do with your assets after in case you die. Because here in Canada what happens, like if you have a will and if it is made as per the law, then it's like your wishes what needs to be done with your property and assets that you own. But if you don't have a will, how it's going to be distributed, how it's going to be used, it's going to be decided by the state, and it will be very difficult for your family members and dependents to go through the legal process. So it's always good to have it, and it also includes like specific instructions like arrangement for your funeral, etc. So you must have it, and it needs to be updated. Like if you have children or marriage or anything, it needs to be updated. You can write it on your own, but I mean, if you don't have good knowledge of law, and if you include instructions that is not as per the law of the region, it may not be carried out. You can have like prepared it with a paralegal, and you can have it written by a lawyer. Like this is how it works. So if you own property or assets, then this is something I would really highly recommend. Rest is up to you. Thanks for watching.